everyone, let's make this colorful pinwheel. We are going to cut 2 circles and color them, make a hole at the center, and we are going to put pipe cleaners around them. We are using colorful pipe cleaners here. Cover it and put a straw at the center and earbud as well, and we are going to dab it inside this clay, and look, your pinwheel is ready. Let's make these colorful turtles using pipe cleaner. So fold this pink pipe cleaner and make the legs of the turtle. Similar way, we are going to roll this purple pipe cleaner in a ring and make the shell of the turtle. Put it at the top, make its head, paste its eyes, and look, it is ready. Let's make this beautiful flower pot and flower using pipe cleaner. First we are making flower petals. So fold this orange pipe cleaner. In similar way, we are making a circle and paste all the petals around it using hot glue gun. Now roll this green pipe cleaner and make the leaves of the flower. Bend it and now combine all of them together. Similar way, we are going to cover this plastic bottle using fruit foam net and fill it with pebbles and cover it using this black pipe cleaner. Dab all of them together and look, it is ready. Roll these pipe cleaners together. Now we are going to roll another pipe cleaner and give it a shape using pen. Combine both of them. Here we are making the snails, so make it shell round the top and paste googly eyes, and look, your colorful snails are ready. Look at this beautiful bee. Let's make it using pipe cleaner. So roll this pipe cleaner and make the body of the bee. Now cover it with another pipe cleaner, roll it, and then we're taking these brown pipe cleaners and make 2 lines. Similar way, make the wings using blue pipe cleaner and paste it around the bee body like this. Similar way, make its antennas, paste all of them together, paste eyes, and look, your bee is ready. Let's make colorful pipe cleaner band. We are going to roll it around this pen and put all of them inside this green pipe cleaner. Make a round shape, tie a knot at the end, and look, your wristband is ready. We are going to make these colorful lollipops using pipe cleaners. So combine 2 different color pipe cleaners together, roll it, tie it using hot glue gun. Make the stick by rolling another color pipe cleaner. Paste a bow at the center, and look, it is ready. Take 3 pipe cleaners, fold them and tie a knot. Now spread all the pipe cleaners together. Here we are making flowers. So make the petals by twisting all the pipe cleaners like this, and look, your flower is ready. Similar way, we are going to tie a knot using green pipe cleaner like we're doing here, and also making the sepal part and leaves as well. Put a yellow at the center and your rings are ready. Let's make these colorful crabs using pipe cleaners. We are folding this red pipe cleaner. So cut it, again take another pipe cleaner and fold it and cut in similar way. We are going to fold all of them together and tie a knot at the center using red pipe cleaner. Now we are going to roll all the parts together. Here we are making the legs of the crab like this. So twist it and give it a shape of this. We are making the claws here. So fold it and twist it. Similar way, make the legs of the crab like this. Pull it out, paste googly eyes, and look, your colorful crabs are ready. We're going to use these 2 pipe cleaners. Tie it. Here we are making butterfly wings. So roll it like we're doing here. Your wings are ready. Tie it at the center using yellow pipe cleaner, and look, you can make more butterflies like this. Let's make colorful flower using pipe cleaner. So we are going to make the petals. Make more such colorful petals. Roll and make a brown pipe cleaner and paste all the petals around it using hot glue gun. Similar way, cover this stick using green pipe cleaner. Now make the leaves, and we are going to tie it, cut it, and paste all of them together. Your flower is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.